What's happening, mi gente? Louie the Boiler Man here. Guys, we're here in Freeport, New York. Wepa! Guys, we're doing a boiler replacement. That's right, guys. We're taking out this piece of mierda. This is a piece of mierda boiler. It's a Hvac Luna F mierda. Google it because it sucks. But we're replacing it with a beautiful Navien Boiler NCB 240-130H. H like in Harry, right? That's right, guys. So we're doing this job today. It's a little chilly outside, but we need to bring up some heat, baby, and some hot water. So guys, I'm gonna show you what the process is to first remove this piece of junk. And the second process is when we get ready to start getting busy, baby, and getting the job started. Let's go, baby. Woo-wee! Wepa! Okay guys, so I'm gonna split this video in two pieces. I'm gonna make it in two parts, I should say. So guys, part number one, or phase one, is the actual boiler removal of the old boiler. So we're gonna show you the process of how to remove the old boiler first. Every job differs, but I'm gonna show you what it is to do today and what it is to remove an old Hvac Luna or a tankless water heater or boiler. All right guys, that's phase number one. Alright guys, phase number two, dos. That's right guys, dos is pretty much the starting of the process. Basically, I'm going to show you and take you to the journey in the process how to install a Navien boiler. In this case, not only is it an NCB 240-130H, but it's also a single zone system. So this should be a little bit simpler, easier for you guys in case you have a one zone system. So guys, watch the video, let me know, let's get started.